In this video, let's see how to perform sorting in list action. As we know, list action can be used to merge list. We have seen in the previous video. Now we will see how to use list action to sort list, and in the next video we will learn how to modify the list in the list action. Kindly note that input to list action must be in the list format. If it is not in the list format, we can make it in the list format using list function. Now let's see how to sort a single list in the list action. I have created one integration procedure to showcase this. I will be taking the list action and I can mention here sort single list. And to showcase this, we'll be taking one input. I have created the JSON. Going back here in the preview, I'm not able to edit. Refresh this page. And let's try. I have added this JSON. Suppose I want to sort customer list. So I'm taking the customer list name. In the merge list order, I can mention here, even though I'm not going to merge, but only I need to sort it. Okay. So list merge, I mention the name customer. In the sort list option, by what I need to sort it. For example, by name or customer ID. Let's sort it by the name. So I'm copying this label name. I will mention here sort by name. If I don't select this, it will sort by default in the ascending order. To see the output, let's take response action, copy the element name, step name and mention in the response action, and let's see the output. So this is my customer list, Darshan, Swaraj and Viraj. It's getting sorted like this. It's already in sorted order, so it's showing like that. Let me change something like this. Let's verify again. So first one is the Swaraj, then customer Darshan, then customer Viraj. Let's execute. Now we can see it. Darshan C2. It's in ascending order. Then Swaraj C1 and then like this. So this way we can sort a single list. If you want to sort policy list, that also you can mention there and it will be sorted out. So only two steps. Mention the name of the list which we want to sort. In the sort list, mention by what field we need to sort. In case, if you want to sort merge list, it means first we are merging customer and policy. So first merging will happen. After merging, whatever is the result of merge list, if we want to sort that list, then how to do it? First of all, do the merging. Let me take one more list action here and rename it as sort merge list. So here we need to mention the list which we want to sort and merge. Customer is first list, that will be merged with policy and add it. So first they will be merged and later they will be sorted out. First of all, let me show you their merge output. Then we will see how to sort it. So let's execute. Here we are able to see output like this because we have not mentioned the matching field. Here matching field is what? Customer ID. So if we mention that, we will be able to merge it. So go back to list action. In the merge field, let's mention it. In previous video, there was only one list, so I have not mentioned anything here. Now in this action, there are two lists. So I need to mention the merge field. Previously, in previous action, there was one list. Now let's see the merge output. Yeah, we can able to see the merge output. But in the merge list, name is Swaraj, then Darshan, then Viraj. If I want to sort it out, it should be in the ascending order. So what I will do? I will go here in the sort list, sort by name. Now you can see here it's in random, so it will be sorted in the ascending order. Yeah, the first one is a Darshan, then Swaraj and then Viraj. If you want in descending order, so sort in descending order and let's execute. Yeah, it's getting sorted in descending order. In case if there is a tie, for example, there are two Viraj. Let me copy this, copy it and mention here. Okay. So as I mentioned, get it sort by name. Okay, get it sort by name. Then which Viraj will be shown first, whether this or this one. Let's say execute. In the output, you are able to see Viraj P3 with customer ID C3. This is getting shown. Here Viraj P2 with customer ID C2. This is getting shown. It's taking by default other fields as we have selected sort in descending order. So there are two Viraj. In the descending order, P3 C3 will come first and policy ID customer ID P2 C2 will come later. If we deselect this, so it's in ascending order. So we are expecting that this record will come first. Let's execute. Okay, it's not getting sorted. Oh, it's correct. It's in ascending order, so Swaraj will come first. After Swaraj, Viraj will come. But which one? Policy ID P2, customer ID C2 will come, and later P3, C3 will come, as by default it's sort based on the ascending order. In case if you want to mention some other field, for example, I want to mention customer ID as well or policy ID as well to sort it. So I can go here. First of all, sort by name. If there is any tie, then sort it by policy ID. So our output will be like this. There is a tie, Viraj, Viraj. So sort it by the policy ID. So this way sorting can be done. If suppose policy ID also getting matched, then it will sort by the customer ID by some other field. And these are the operations that we can perform in the list action to sort list. We can sort single list or merge list. If you want to sort by one field, you can mention here one field. If for that field, if there is a tie, similar output, then you can mention another field to sort it. Even though you don't mention it here, list action will take by default another field and it will sort it accordingly. Based on this discussion, try to answer these sample intro questions. Feel free to comment your answer. In the next video, we will see how to use list action to modify the list. In the modify of the list, we can filter it, we can show dynamic output, and we can update the field as well. Thank you for watching.